Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you. Senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from the floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. Lesson number 22. Understanding the inclined plane, simple machine. An inclined plane is a flat, sloped surface used to help raise or lower objects. It is one of the 6 types of simple machines and is designed to reduce the effort needed to move heavy objects by increasing the distance over which the force is applied. So we have here a an illustration of an inclined plane. So a gentle slope means less force needed, but more distance will be covered. Steep slope means more force needed, but shorter distance covered. Purpose of an inclined plane. It allows you to use less force to lift something by spreading the work over a longer distance. Examples in real life: ramps for wheelchairs or cars, slides in playgrounds, roads on mountains or hills, loading ramps in delivery trucks, staircases, and escalators. Mechanical advantage formula. A mechanical advantage is the length of the incline over the height of the incline. The longer the incline compared to its height, the greater the mechanical advantage, which means less force is needed. Why it matters? Inclined planes are everywhere and help people with lifting heavy items, moving loads more easily, or accessing higher places. They are simple but highly effective tools based on physics. Practice problems about inclined plane. Number 1. A 200 Newton is pushed up a ramp that is 4 meters long and rises 1 meter high. What is the mechanical advantage of the incline? Load. Given load, 200 Newton. Length, 4 meters. Height, 1 meter. The unknown is MA. So use the formula MA is equals the length of the ramp over the height. Substitute the given data, and the answer is 4. Number 2. A ramp is 5 meters long and 2 meters high. A worker uses it to slide a 300 Newton box up to a track. What is the mechanical advantage of the ramp? Given load 300 Newton, the length of the ramp 5 meters, the height is 2 meters. The mechanical advantage is unknown. Use the formula MA is equal to the the length over the height. Substitute the given data and you will get 2.5. Number 3. A student uses a 6-meter ramp to lift a 100 Newton box to a height of 1.5 meters. Calculate the ideal mechanical advantage of the ramp. So given 180 Newton, and then the length of the ramp 5 meters, height 1.5. The ideal mechanical advantage is length over the height, and substitute the given data, the answer is 4. Number 4. A 100 Newton load is pushed up an inclined plane that is 3 meters long and 1 meter high. How much effort force is needed if the inclined plane is 75% efficient? So you're given a load 100 Newton, length 3 meters, length 1 meter, efficiency 0.75. What is the effort force? So solution, the IMA is 3 meters over 1 meter 3. And then AMA is equal to AMA minus IMA times efficiency is substitute the given data is equal to 3 times 0.75, 2.25. And then step 3, obtaining now the effort. The effort is load over AMA. This is 100 Newton over 2.25, which is equals to 44.44 Newton. And that is the final answer. Next, MCQ number 22, lesson 22, understanding the inclined plane, simple machine. Number 1, a box weighing 300 Newton is pushed up a 6-meter ramp that rises 2 meters. What is the ideal mechanical advantage? Letter A, 2. Letter B, 3. Numbers, letter C, 4. Letter D, 6. Number 2, an inclined plane is 5 meters long and 1 meter high. What is its mechanical advantage? Letter A, 2. Letter B, 3. Letter C, 4. Letter D, 5. Number 3. A worker uses 4-meter long ramp to raise a 100 Newton load to a height of 1 meter. What is the mechanical advantage? Letter A, 2. Letter B, 3. Letter C, 4. Letter D, 5. Number 4. A ramp is 6 meters long and 1.5 meters high. What is the mechanical advantage? Letter A, 2. Letter B, 3. Letter C, 4. Letter D, 6. Number 5. A box is lifted using an inclined plane with a mechanical advantage of 4. If the box weighs 240 Newton, how much effort is needed, assuming ideal conditions? Letter A, 40 Newton. Letter B, 50 Newton. Letter C, 60 Newton. Letter D, 80 Newton. Number 7. The efficiency of ramp is 70% and its ideal mechanical advantage is 5. What is the actual mechanical advantage? Letter A, 2.5. Letter B, 3.5. Letter C, 4. Letter D, 5.5. Number 8. If a 180 Newton load is lifted using an inclined plane with a mechanical advantage of 3, what is the effort needed? Letter A, 60 Newton. Letter B, 90 Newton. Letter C, 120 Newton. Letter D, 150 Newton. Number 9. A ramp with a length of 3 meters and a height of 0.5 meters is used. What is the mechanical advantage? Letter A, 5. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 3. Number 10. A ramp with a mechanical advantage of 4 is only 50% efficient. What is the actual mechanical advantage? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. And the answer key for today's lesson 22, please proceed to lesson 23. The answer key for lesson 21, understanding the lever, simple machine, is as follows. Number 1, D4. Number 2, D4. Number 3, C, 20 Newton. Number 4, C4. Number 5, B, 60 Newton. Number 6, D, 160 Newton. Number 7, D, 100 Newton. Number 8, B, 3. Number 9, C, 50 Newton. Number 10, C, 40 Newton. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery.